Hey, what's up everyone? Sagi here from Tech Gear Talk. We are here with Kadir from Edelkrone. He's going to tell us about an awesome new product.
Hi, welcome. And this is the Motion Kit. It is a 4-axis motion control system, which is manually operatable. You can control the slide, pan, tilt, and also focus. So to program this is very easy. If you want to track a target, we have some dummy tracks over here. What you have to do is manually aim your camera on the target. I'm going to zoom in for you.
That's amazing. And so you can see as he's doing it, you can see the gears turning over there like a follow focus.
Yeah. Once you are happy with the focus, what you do is you press and hold, and that spot over there is now locked by the system. So when I trigger my slide action, the camera will first go to its starting position, A point.
That's so cool.
And if you see, the camera is automatically panning to keep my target in the frame. And it's all doing that automatically by itself.
Now, how does it know to keep focus as far as in a 3D world? How does it know? Is it based on the focus? How does it know to focus on that and not the camera behind it, as far as the pan is concerned?
It does mathematical calculations. It wouldn't know if I moved the target away from there. It's not doing image processing.
Okay.
It's only doing a theoretical calculation. But thanks to that, I can do more things actually. I can just assign a second target and focus on that too.
And while that's happening, what's really cool about the fact that the camera is shifting focus on its own is if you try to do this type of shot with autofocus on your camera, it's impossible. The camera will automatically decide what it wants. It's either going to track one object the whole time, or it's going to randomly shift focus as something gets into your focus point. So what's really impressive here is he's actually dictating the focus point manually.
Yeah. I can teach more than one target, and I can switch in between my targets on the go. I'm on the further target, now I'm switching to the closer target, and it's pulling focus and adjusting it.
Basically what's happening is the camera is going to shift targets and simultaneously pull focus into the second object.
Yeah.
And you saw in real time how long it took to actually set this shot up.
You only aim your camera on the target and focus on it and press and hold, that's all.
So, and again, think of that from a usability standpoint. You're not sitting here with dials or toggles or arrows, literally taking the camera, point it at the subject, get it in focus, and you're done. That object is now being tracked.
This is very useful because when you are successfully tracking a target, the whole thing becomes much more interesting to watch.
Absolutely.
You get this amazing depth, and a 2D video turns into a 3D feeling.
That's right.
So that's what makes this very compelling. For the audience, it's more relaxing to watch such things. They feel the depth inside. So it's not to take the camera long ways or track objects. It's just to make something stationary more interesting.
Absolutely. And can you show us, I remember seeing this yesterday, and I thought that was super helpful. So if you look at the screen, it's got two targets, but we're not really sure which is which. Can you show us how you can take a picture and then record what that object is?
Especially after the third target,
right?
You mix which one is the other one. So you can just take reference images, and this way you always remember, okay, this when I press on this, I'm gonna be tracking that target.
Come on, that's sweet.
Sometimes your target is far away, you don't have to go and take the picture. We usually take the picture what we see in the frame, which is better reference, showing what you're gonna get more clearer. This is not for ultra heavy cameras.
Like I have a C100 Mark II. Is that going to work on it or no?
It would work, but it would be on the limits. But nothing more, nothing extra monitors on it, not fancy
I wouldn't need it.
lenses
Yeah.
on it. Then it would be fine. Yeah.
Okay.
You can record your composition, your slide and target switches all together, and you repeat that exact shot as much
So you
as
could
you like.
save it and just go replay, and it will do it again and again.
That could be something also interesting, especially for visual effect artists.
Super
The
impressive.
form factor actually is. I'm sure you realize that it's a bit unique, because all 2-axis camera heads usually keep the camera in the center.
Yes.
We are swinging the camera sideways, which is not common. But we find this is very. It has many advantages, because we're putting 2 motors in the same box,
Nice.
which makes it the most portable, compact size 2-axis head,
Okay,
which
great.
is super portable. And also this swinging, thanks to this swinging, we managed to get the camera off the slider,
Yep.
off anything. So you get really nice flyover shots with this.
Yes, because you don't have to worry about seeing the slider or like flipping the whole thing necessarily.
Absolutely. You can almost go all the way up to vertical from the top of the object, which really delivers amazing flexibility.
And you know what? That in and of itself is actually could be an interesting shot. If
Absolutely.
you could add that type of motion rather than a standing rotation, could also be an interesting.
And we found no disadvantages to this design, only advantages. So we decided to make it this way.
That's a spectacular product.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for
Thank you
taking
very
the
much.
time to show that to us. Again, Kadir here from Edelkrone. And this is the SliderPlus with the Motion Kit.
Yep.
All right, got it right. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon.